doctor's clinic.
자, let's say
We passed the doctor's clinic.
의사 선생님 병원을 지나갔어요. 자, 다음 next sentence.
I told Jake about the time I had to go there when I had a sore
자,
throat.
let's say Okay, 자, let's say, 자, very long, right? What's wrong? Don't fight, okay? 자, let's say, a sore throat. 자, sore이 찢어지네요. throat가 뭐? 목이 찢어졌대, 뭐야? 목이 아파서 병원 갔었대. 자, let's say, a sore throat. 자, this sentence, let's speak.
We walked around the
자,
corner.
let's say,
We walked around the corner.
자, 다 같이 우리 걸었어요. We walked.
We walked
자, 모퉁이를 돌아서 around the corner.
around the corner.
And they stand up. 자, 너만 따라해. We walked
We walked
around the corner.
around the corner.
오케이, 여기까지 영어 소화입니다. 오케이, stop.